Have you ever noticed how a relationship can start strong, full of excitement and connection, and then slowly shift? One day the effort fades. The energy changes, and suddenly you're the one questioning what went wrong. Most men respond the same way. They chase harder, they text more, they try to fix what they didn't break. But that's where everything collapses. Today we're talking about the power of detachment. Not emotional coldness, not manipulation, but self-respect. Number 1, stop chasing the moment she pulls back. The instinct to chase is natural, but it's also destructive. When you chase attention, you communicate need, and need kills respect. The moment you stop initiating everything, the dynamic changes. Silence creates space. Space creates reflection, and reflection reveals truth. Number 2, detachment restores your value. Every time you prioritize her over your own goals, your time and your discipline, you lower your own position. Detachment reminds both of you that your life does not revolve around anyone else's approval. Your value comes from who you are becoming, not from who chooses you. Number 3, let your absence speak. Words are cheap. Explanations weaken your position. But absence is loud. When you stop being the emotional safety net, the constant source of attention, the comfort disappears. And that's when people notice what they took for granted. Number 4, focus on your own growth. While she wonders where you went, you're rebuilding. Your body, your purpose, your routine. Too many men abandon their ambitions for validation. Detachment pulls you back to yourself. And nothing is more attractive than a man focused on his own mission. Number 5, overcome the fear of losing her. Fear is what keeps men trapped. Fear of abandonment. Fear of replacement. But ask yourself this: why fear losing someone who doesn't value you fully? If stepping back causes her to leave, then she was never yours to begin with. Respect never grows from fear. Number 6, realize this was never about her. Detachment isn't a tactic to make someone chase you. It's a mindset that frees you. When you stop seeking validation, you reclaim control over your emotions, your energy, and your life. If she returns, it's on your terms. If she doesn't, you still win. Because the moment you stop chasing, everything changes, not just for her, but for you. That's the true power of detachment.